Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add transactions to your CoinmarketCap portfolio. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First you have to open the CoinmarketCap application. Then to go to your portfolio, you have to tap on this button here in the middle of the screen on the bottom. And then it will open up your portfolio. As you can see, for now it is empty. My portfolio, but I will show you how to add transactions. Your portfolio is empty. Add new transactions. Here you will have to choose the crypto that you want to add to your portfolio. Let's tap on the Bitcoin. Then you will type in how much Bitcoin do you have. Let's say 50 Bitcoins. The price will set automatically if you set it to today. Or you can set the price manually if you bought your Bitcoin earlier. You can also add notes or fees. And then just tap on the add transaction and it will appear in your portfolio 50 Bitcoins. The price right now is 55,000 and the holding value is $2,075,000. If you tap on the value, it will drop to Bitcoin. This is the current balance in Bitcoin or in dollars. And here at the bottom you will see your price growth since you bought your Bitcoin. As you can see, 0.42% today. Here you will see your chart, which will show you how your portfolio is growing. As you can see, I just added this crypto and that's why it grew this much today. But over the time you will see the chart is going to show the price and the market changes. Now this is the line chart. You can also go to pie chart and here it will show that I only have Bitcoin, so 100% of my portfolio is Bitcoin. But let's say I buy some more. Let's buy a few Ethereums. Let's say 100 Ethereum. Add transaction. Great. And now if I go to my pie chart, it will show up and it will show me that this percentage is Bitcoin and this is crypto. This is in dollars. This is in percentage. As you can see, 88% is Bitcoin, 11% is Ethereum. You can also go to statistics and see total profit or loss. I have a total of $3,000 loss. I have $34.7 gain on Ethereum and 3,000 loss on Bitcoin. These statistics are shown based on the buying value, so this is just the last few seconds. But if you follow your portfolio on CoinmarketCap, over time you will see all the changes that your portfolio has seen. Let's add some more. Let's add some Dogecoin. Let's add 1 million Dogecoins. Add transaction. Let's see our pie chart. As you can see, the Dogecoin value is so low that even just 1 million Dogecoins are just this tiny percentage of the whole portfolio. So this is how you can add transactions to your portfolio. Again, I will show you how to remove transactions. Down here, as you can see, your assets. If you swipe to the left, you can delete some of your transactions. If you sold those, let's say I sold my Ethereum, just tap on the remove and it will remove it from my portfolio. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.